Yeah, good morning DXN. Now I'm holding my hand is a beautiful product, saffron. Okay, saffron from Kashmir. Okay, you can see this beautiful products, genuine saffron. Okay, now DXN going to go for a big wave of saffron, you know. Okay, because we are going to plant. We have the technology of planting, so actually this trip when I come here, we already set up the temperature room, okay, for the for planting of saffron. In the future, you're please welcome to come to City Pit to see what we are doing. Okay, and this saffron is very easy to drink, you know. Okay, you just put a few filament, okay, then I put it in the hot water. Just simmer in hot water. Now, more. Okay. If it is an authentic saffron, the color will come out slowly, you know. If the color come out too quickly, it will be a fake one, because they are using dye, you know. This is a natural one. You see the color come out slowly. Then we will stir it, simmer it. Okay. And after that, you can see it's like a dancing lady, you know. It's very nice. You can enjoy the dancing of the saffron. Okay. We can just do like this, okay. Then after that, you just drink the water. Okay, and this kind of yellow, Chinese call it royal yellow. No? Royal, what do you mean by royal? It's a kind of sparkling yellow. Okay, you see the emperor, they like yellow color, and they like this sparkling color. No? Sparkling actually is like the gold color. Okay, and you see the color is started to come out. Okay, it started to come out, no? Become more and more. Okay. Maybe you give me the kombucha, saffron kombucha. This one, yeah. And as you can see, is our kombucha the same color, no? The same color. We're producing it. So you drink this one, so it's very easy for you. Now, if this thing costly, saffron by right is costly, okay. But we make it this 1 gram. Member price about 460, less than 500. Then I think the market price about 600. Yeah, this thing it's cheap, you know, and you can consume for 1 month, okay? Because this 1 gram like this, okay, you can consume for 1 month. Every time just put a little bit like this, okay? Then you can simmer 3 times. This is the first time, you know. This is the first time. This is the first time, okay? Then after that, we drink it. You can simmer until the color of saffron become white in color. 3 times you can simmer. So it's quite economy, you know. It's quite economy. Now, why we should drink saffron? Why should take saffron? Okay, because saffron have one advantage, you know, that other herbs don't have. That is to improve the microcirculation of the skin. Now, you see, in the modern day, many people have problem, you know. First, we are in the aircon, in this thing, our skin always become dry, you know. Okay, so that what they call, when you put moisturizer, you only put on the face, no. Most part of the body you are not taking care of. So by taking saffron, the whole body, you know, you can taking care of. So by taking saffron in a 1 or 2 weeks time, you know, you look at the face, you know, the complexion will change. The complexion will change. Then the face become what do you call, shining. Okay, this so especially those are having, as for say, this kidney problem, you know. Okay, where they have pigmentation, they have this skin, this thing. This saffron is good. Now, and we are going to produce saffron in a big way. So we are going to mass cultivate it in India, and we also join hand with the saffron grower in Kashmir. Okay, so it's a Kashmiri saffron. Then also in other part of the world, like in Morocco. Okay, we also wanted to cultivate this saffron, and we have all the technology to calculate. So next time that we assure you that this is authentic saffron. Okay, see you again.